In a sun-drenched meadow, three bullocks of different colors, brown, white, and black, find serenity and unity, grazing side by side. A lion lurks at the forest's edge, its hunger a stark contrast to the bullock's peaceful existence. Each time the lion threatens, the bullocks form an unbreakable wall, forcing the predator to retreat in frustration. In the tranquil meadow, a solitary lion approaches a black bullock, its movements belying a sinister intent. The lion whispers insidious lies into the bullock's ear. The others secretly dislike you. They speak ill of you behind your back. Doubt takes root as the black bullock distances itself, the once inseparable trio now drifting apart. In the tranquil light of day, a brown bullock grazes, oblivious to the danger lurking just beyond the forest's edge. A lion explodes from the bushes, chasing the brown bullock into the dense forest, where it vanishes, leaving only the white and black bullocks behind. The black bullock stands paralyzed, fear gripping its heart as the lion advances, its shadow a harbinger of impending doom.